everyone. Come closer to the table. Renudi, come closer to the table.
Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. Before we start today's demo, Pushpa would like to wish all the ladies a very happy Karwa Chauth. To keep everyone selves busy and not feel the hunger pants, we have organized a very interesting demo with Mrs. Renu Pottar. She is the area judge and an area demonstrator. She has worked very hard for days and put up her best to show us some beautiful and innovative designs with wool and wire. Let us all relax and enjoy.
I can't get it on any other way.
Let us all enjoy. And I'll first thank Pooja Pottar, Rena Pottar, the daughter-in-laws of Renu Pottar, to help her through all the designs she's making today. And of course, a very special thank to Aryaman Pottar, her grandson, who has really worked hard for the virtual demo which she's organizing today. I would request everyone to please mute themselves so that we don't have any disturbance while doing our designs. Any questions which needs to be put up will be put up in the chat box, which will be taken up by me or by Mrs. Renu Pottar in between or after the session. I hand over to Mrs. Kavita Pottar, our president, to say a few words for Mrs. Renu Pottar. Over to you, Auntie.
Thank you. And welcome to everyone. We have such lovely friends from all over. And it's so nice to at least know that they've joined us. And a special welcome to the Kenya chapter for being with us here today. And they're becoming like an extended family. They invite us to their programs, we invite us to our programs. And I would request everyone to please mute. A lot of back noise is going on. It will spoil the program for everybody. So please be a little less selfish. Somebody's iPad says Madhu Bhargav. Somebody says Galaxy 51. Somebody is Kusum Jalan. These are some of the names. One is Bharti. So please mute yourself so that we can go on. This is on my screen. We'll get more later. And Pooja, you forgot the very important thing about Renu. You didn't say that she was world champion.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I missed that.
Yes, that is the biggest introduction that you forgot. So,
sorry, Auntie.
Yeah, and she won a special award at this WAFA show also for the most innovative design. So she's got many very, very special awards under her, in her bag or in her sack, whatever you want to say. And I can say something, Renu is a very, very sincere person. Whatever she takes up, she does it to the best. हम लोग wait कर रहे हैं कि अब आप दिखाओ हम लोग को और अपना magic सिखाओ. Thank you.
Before we give it to Renu Auntie the stage, I would please request everybody to please mute themselves. I am muting all of you, but again, I guess you all are unmuting yourselves. So please request to mute themselves so that we can have the event very smoothly going. All the photographs of the design will be put up in the Facebook, so there's nothing to worry about it.
I've heard it's very nice, but I don't know. I'm not there.
Auntie, over to you. Can't hear you.
All over the world. Thank you so much. I hope you all are ready.
We can't hear you. We can't hear you.
Auntie, we can't hear you. Need to be a little more louder.
It's like on this lake, and it's just like this restaurant where you can like.
Can you hear me?
No, not very clearly.
And yeah, my friends really had a good time here.
Karwa Chauth. Can you hear me now?
Paint. I know.
Who told you about Luna? I didn't know. Who was the one that
Can you hear me now?
Okay. Auntie, just wait. I'll mute everyone again.
Thank you.
इनकी आवाज सुननी चाहिए हमको, इनकी आवाज तो सुननी चाहिए.
Just mute them. Yeah. Renu aunty, please unmute. Only Renu aunty and Pooja Poddar. Yeah. Pooja Poddar and Renu aunty. And Pooja Poddar.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, Renu aunty, yeah, I can hear you now better.
Better?
Yeah. You know, the thing is, if you all don't mute themselves, there'll be so much of disturbance from the background that we are not able to hear the demonstrators speak clearly. Please requesting everybody to mute themselves. And Pooja, can you unmute yourself too?
Pooja, I don't need to unmute right now. So, you know, honestly, there'll be an echo. If I unmute myself, there will be an echo in the
Okay.
sound.
Fine.
Let me be muted.
Will I start again? Yeah.
Yes, please, auntie.
Good afternoon, friends. Namaste. And friends from all over the world. I hope you all are comfortable today. Today being Karwa Chauth, make my demonstration very special as I dedicate my designs to all beautiful ladies hunger to learn. My first design is the leaf, and it is made up of wire and wool. We women are strong like wire and soft like wool. It is called the cascading love. Now over to you, Pooja.
Pooja, please could you spotlight me?
The base of, can you see the design? No.
Pooja, you need to spotlight me.
Pooja? Yes. The base of this design is a railway track wood, which was taken from my garden and which has an interesting worn out texture, which is in contrast to the smooth reflective mirror. The beauty of Pushpadhan members is that whenever we need help, we all are together. We got holes drilled in this log to put in the flower of different heights. We can use any type of flower. I have used wool flower. We can use artificial flower or shola flower or jute flower. The wire leaves above are sprayed black, as black symbolizes sophistication in a woman. Now let us start making the leaf.
Pooja, please spotlight me again.
Yes, I will. Just give me a second, please.
Sure.
Yes, auntie, you want spotlight?
So I have drawn a leaf on a paper. You can draw to any shape you want. And with help of a string, I just take the measurement from the outline of the leaf. Here. Now take a wire, double the length of the string and fold it in between. Now start twisting the wire tightly. This is an aluminium wire, gauge 16. Aluminium is very easily molded. So that's why I have taken aluminium wire. This is the way we twist. wire comes in different varieties and in different gauge and is available in the local market. So we twist it like this. Here. This is the finished look of a twisted wire. Now again, we put it on our drawing to give it a shape of the leaf. So we twist it and shape it properly. It is not difficult because it's aluminum. It shapes here. So this is the shape of your leaf. And we tie it to the chul tar, or as we call it, a GI wire, gauge number 24. Twist it tight. So the finish of the leaf is like this. Now to add the veins over here, we take 4 chul tar of the same length. Here. And from one side, we start twisting downwards tightly. And give it a little curve with your thumb. And then again, from the other side, cut to the length you are required and twist it downwards. Can you see the vein? These curved lines manipulate the eye, creating a movement in the design. We take 4 more. Once more, I'll show it to you. Again. Just close to the first one. Take it, twist it downwards. And here, with your thumb, give it a little shape. And here we are. Again, twist it. This is how we go on and on, completing the leaf.
So, Auntie, there's a question. So, are we taking all the 4 wires together
Yes.
to make a single vein?
You can do one by one, but that takes a lot of time. So to save time, you can easily take 3 to 4 wires at a time and create the vein.
So, for each vein, we are using 4 wires.
Yes, and just spread it a little. So here, if you can see.
Yeah.
And this is a complete look. Of the leaf. This is the way you fill in the vein. So this is half a leaf. To make one full leaf, you have to join 2 leaves together, like this, and join it with a chul tar. Hold it tight, and with the help of the chul tar, we regular intervals, we will tighten it.
So there are 2-3 questions. Sorry to interrupt in between.
No,
It's not very clear to a lot of the viewers. They are saying that when you fill this wire, so are you taking 4 wires together
4 wires together, yes.
each time, and you're filling it up with like this in the same way?
Yes.
And in between, you're just spreading the wires.
In between, you're just spreading the wires with the help of a thumb to give a little curve.
Okay. I hope it's clear to the one who wrote the messages.
So it looks like this now. This is the complete leaf here. If anybody has any answers or questions, I can answer them now, or if they want to call me up.
No, so the question is that when you fill up the entire wire, so each wire which you're tying up in the midrib, so you're tying 4 wires at the same time.
Wires at the same time.
And you're filling, so each time you take a 4 wires, fill it up, tie it up, cut it.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Auntie.
So I have sprayed it black. You can spray to any other color you want to.
Yeah.
I want to thank Pooja and Prachi for helping me to organize this afternoon. Thank you, Pooja and Prachi.
Always welcome, Auntie.
Now, we come to the flower. Due to pandemic, fresh flowers were not available earlier, and that's when I decided to make flower out of wood. Now we will be making our red carnations. Red stands for devotion and passion. So we take red wool and keep little long, and with the help of your thumb, just press it on your palm. Now, take this wool and keep wrapping it around your 4 fingers, say about 20 to 25 times. Like this. Now leave the end little longer. Now this end, put it through your forefinger, the middle of your forefinger, and knot it tightly. You can make 3 to 4 knots tight so that it doesn't open. One more knot. Now we take it off our finger, fold the end bit, and again tighten the knot. 3 to 4 times. Yeah. You have to knot it very tight so that it doesn't open. Now cut the folded wool from above. and comb it softly and smoothly. I would like to share a joke with you. A bald gentleman went to the salon and told the stylist over there, मेरे बाल धीरे से brush कर दो. And she says, with a shock, बाल? He says, yes, दो है ना. He still starts combing. Please don't throw this away. We will be needing for our next arrangement. This is the wool dust.
Auntie, that's the best part. We don't throw anything. From the dust also, we make everything, beautiful designs.
Sanita Bhabhi's taught us in Pushpabitan, we don't throw anything.
Yeah. So now the moment you said don't throw the dust, it's like from the dust we are making another design. So get up for that.
Oh, our husbands, they get very upset. सब चीज रख ली उठा के रख लेती हो.
Pooja, if you need a closer view, then you could spotlight me and I could take the phone closer to mummy.
Yeah, I will. I'm sure everybody would love to see the close up. Give me a second, please.
Yeah, sure.
Now we give a good trim to our flower.
Yeah. So Pooja, you're on spotlight.
And cut the ends here.
So I hope everybody can see, and Pooja has really made an effort of teaching me how to do spotlight so that we can get all the closer views.
It's thanks to kids in their classes, I think.
I guess so.
You know how our boys have been badgering
Now we
us.
take a wire, and because the black was needed in my design, I have sprayed it black. And
Can
just
you have a closer view of the design, please?
The design now?
No, I mean so what Auntie is working with.
and just make a U on the top here and put it through the flower. Here, my carnation is ready.
Wow, beautiful.
This is for my teachers who have taught me my flower arrangement, and for Valerie and Kavita Bhabhi, because of whom I'm here today, and also Bhavani. It's her birthday, 50th birthday coming soon. Does she look like one?
I'm sure she will not say to that.
So my first design is finished for the day, and it's over to the main design again, Pooja.
Yeah. Wow. So I guess we can all realize how hard work she has done to make, I don't know how many flowers with the wool. So it's like amazing. It's stunning.
Pooja.
So the question, Auntie, is which paint did you use to spray the wire?
Black spray paint which we get in the market,
Okay.
the tin one.
Yeah. So it's a regular spray.
Yes.
So you're getting amazing comments. Very beautiful design. Fabulous. Super neat work.
Now start for the second design. Is
Yeah.
next few months is all about festivities. And we offer many flowers to our Lord. During this puja and festivals, there are different kinds of things we offer, and flower is one of them. Hibiscus is one of the main flower for our goddess in Calcutta, Goddess Kali. And I have made hibiscus flower again with wire and wood. Pooja, please spotlight.
Yeah.
Do you know why we offer flower to our Lord? Because it shows devotion and loyalty towards Him.
So there's nothing to get worried about. I've requested Pooja Poddar to click all the pictures and she'll send it to me, which will be posted in the Facebook.
Now to make this hibiscus petals, we again, like the previous one, I have drawn it on a paper, the shape of a petal, and take the aluminium wire according to the size of the petal. And with the help of this thin double-sided tape, we wrap the wire with this tape. It's become so very convenient these days when we have these type of tapes, so that earlier we never used to have these things. Kavita Bhabi knows it. Bhabi? So, 1 minute.
Mummy, can I help you?
So these are the local tapes which you get in the market. So you get, it's a double-sided thin tapes, which is called, and we've been using a lot of them. Lot of demonstrators has been using this tape nowadays.
So this is how we wrap it around our palm tightly so that it doesn't come out. And then the red wool around it. Keep on just wrapping it. And give it petal shape like this. Here.
So again, did we double the wire?
No, single wire. Single aluminium wire. We shape it on the, keep it on the drawing, and give it a shape first.
Yeah. So for the leaf, since we use double, so in this we use single wire.
And this, just tie it with the chul tar here so that it doesn't open. And now we will add some veins to the petal. Now each petal that we make, we need about 20 to 25 veins. I have put some for you. And here, the same technique, we take a chul tar, put the double side tape, and then just wrap red wool around it. And these veins, we will be tying it on the petal. After every quarter inch, we twist the end of the vein and make sure that you twist it towards one end, not one this side and the other that side. It doesn't look neat. So here we twist.
So this is the trick for our world champion of neatness. That is how she got the world champion trophy all the time. She's coming with first prizes and special prizes.
I'll put some more after every 1/4 inch. And you can cut the ends afterwards.
So I'll just put Pooja on spotlight so she can show us how the thing is done. Just give me a second. Yeah. So everybody can get a closer view of how Auntie is tying up the wire.
After every 1/4 inch, I have tied it, and all facing one side. You see?
Yeah.
Now we take these veins little loose, one by one, hold it towards the end. And give it a little curve. You fill in all this and give it a little curve and put a chul tar again here to tighten it and finish it with the red wool like this.
Okay. So Auntie, there's a question. Instead of tying a wool, can we spray the wire?
No, you can add jute because so I will be coming to that in 5 minutes and you will come to know why I'm saying so.
Okay.
There has to be 2 different layers of the material.
Okay.
So it looks like this. Lines coming from one point and coming like a fan and spreading it out is also called the radial traditional style. To make one hibiscus, we need 5 or if you want more, petals like this. The same technique is made here, but without the wool. I have sprayed it gold. This is for this to give the dimension in my flower. This is made up of wire. As you said, Pooja,
Yeah.
this is just wire.
Yeah. So there is a question which says if we just not wrap the wire, chul tar with wire, wool or jute, and we just spray paint it.
You can.
But okay, so there will be no depth to the design.
You can spray 2 colors instead of 1 color to give the depth.
Okay. I hope Sunita just got the answer.
I have added wool because the wool adds texture to the design.
Okay.
So now both my petals are ready and we go to making the filament and the anther. Take a wire suitable to the size of the flower you want to make and wrap foil paper round it. So it is pointed on the top and little thicker as you go down below.
So Vinita, that's a very difficult question which you've asked. How many hours? It's not hours. She must have spent days and days and months to make such beautiful arrangements.
No, not that much. It's just 1 week.
And as you know, of course, she is very particular about the finishing. So the work is super neat.
So this is how it looks, the first step. Then I have wrapped copper wire round it and wrap it neatly so that the gap doesn't show.
So the wire which you use for the filament is that 18 gauge wire?
This is not 18, this is 20 gauge wire.
Okay.
And it can be soft. You can use chultar or copper wire. So after wrapping it with the copper, it looks like this. And now I have sprayed it golden. So there are 3 steps to it.
Wow.
Now we'll be making the anthem. As I said, we don't throw anything. So take a little Fevicol on your palm. Put the jute, the wool dust, and keep rolling it like a ball. Tight. And it looks like this.
Wow.
Now I'll be sticking it on the filament.
So the hibiscus takes us to the biology class of our childhood. That's the first flower which we always learn in our biology class. The
Yes.
dissection and the bisection of hibiscus flower.
So you keep on filling it like this. Now we take one petal at a time, and you can't do it alone. You need a person to help you. So you hold it tight and with the help of a chultar, wrap it around. Tightly. So it looks like this. And then 4 more petals come. And this is the finish look of the first step to my flower.
Wow.
Now to add the dimension, after 1 inch, I add this golden leaf here, like this. And then don't tie all together, tie one by one, so it stays firm. And this is the finished flower. Here. I have wrapped green wool to give a finished look.
Auntie, we would all love to use now the wire wool hibiscus rather than the real hibiscus in our house.
And in my design, I have added big monstera leaves. It can be a center table decoration or a corner room decoration. Diwali is also coming. We can have a Diwali decoration also. Now about third, anybody have any questions?
Yeah, so the question is, you made the chultar look like a jeweltar. It is no more normal chultar. And everybody is commenting about your patience level, about your neatness, that striking creation, and amazing patience to do such beautiful designs.
Thank you.
And we all agree that yes, the chultar is now will be associated with auntie as a jeweltar for all of us.
Thank you so much.
So you are a genius. There's a comment from Bhavani. Okay, so over to the third design, auntie.
So now we go to a third design. Start. Pooja, can you just?
Yes, I'm just spotting you. Yes.
So this design is called the Peaceful Land. The arrangement has a calm and a serene look. The color and the form enhances the same. I have taken thermocol of 4 inches thickness and cut it into a round shape. Braided jute and wool round it, around the outer rim of the disc. And I have stuck jute fiber on, I had called up Preeti because I was forgetting it is slimer, not fiber, to give the cloudy effect in my design. Pooja, can you see it? This particular flower I had used for my Jaipur arrangement, the Wafa Show 2020. And I'll be teaching you today how to make the flower.
Wow.
For the flower, we will again be taking chultar and the same. Sorry?
That's a jeweltar. Please don't say chultar anymore.
The same way as we have made hibiscus, and the same technique goes for any leaf or a flower. If we know that technique, we can make any type of flower or leaf. So here I've taken chultar, wrapped it up with white wool, again the double side tape and the wool around it. It looks like this.
Okay.
And fold it here and just make a small loop on the top.
So I'll just spotlight on Pooja to show the loop. Just 1 second, please. I'll just.
Okay. Can you see now? So this is one petal. To make a flower, we need about 20 to 24 such petals. And then we fix it in a twisted wire like this, one by one, and give it a little shape. I have created a lotus bud here. Lotus is the national flower of India, and it's a favorite flower of our Lord Shivji. Here. You have to give it a little.
So auntie, the stem of the flower is again the wire, aluminum wire, which you've been using.
Again the wire, and we first finish the above top part and then finish here by wrapping it with white wool. It looks
So
like
is it possible for you to show us how did you tie each chultar with the stem, if it's possible?
this, of course. We tie each chultar. First, we take here, twist it, and then suppose this is the end of my flower. I don't want to show it here because it's already done. I want to show it this side. And just take each petal and with the help of chultar, we twist it.
So we tie each petal of the lotus bud and twist it at the end, and then we make give a design shape to the entire flower.
Actually, very, very neat, and you have to tie it very tightly. So that it doesn't come out.
Thank you so much.
That we give a shape to the flower. Like this.
Yes. So since it's a wire, it's very easy to give any shape we desire to.
Any shape we desire to give. So again, jump.
Yeah. There is just 1 minute. I am just putting Pooja on spotlight. She's not coming on. Yeah.
I have taken 3 feet length iron wire covered with wool to balance this, the tall wool covered structure, and the butterflies are made by my grandson, Ariman.
So we would definitely like Ariman at the end of the show, so we can all praise him and thank him for his all hard work.
I thank both the daughters as they both have worked very hard with me to create all the designs. Thank you.
So you balance the entire design on the wire with wrapped in wool?
The whole wire is through and through the thermocol. That's how it's balanced.
Okay. So very important technique to learn from how to balance. And you've wrapped in the base with wool?
With wool. With wool and jute.
Wool and
give it texture and then just stuck it around the disc.
Okay. Beautiful design, Auntie. So the question here says, the top is open. How was it tied on top of the flower?
It's open. If you just press it a little bit.
Okay.
Okay. Just try to press it a little bit and it is there. It doesn't open.
Kavita Auntie, you can unmute yourself.
So I just want to say that each design is more beautiful and more incredible than the earlier one, Renu. और देख के मजा भी आया और ये भी सब लोग बोल रहे हैं कि कितनी मेहनत है. एक कमेंट तो ये है कि इस दिवाली से शुरू करेंगे तो अगली दिवाली तक भी शायद खत्म हो जाएंगे पत्ते. तो अब तुम सोच लो कि तुम क्या इंस्पायर कर रही हो लोगों को, रेनू. And as it was expected, but this is much beyond expectation. And कितनी सुंदरता से और कितने अच्छे से तुमने समझाया है कि so that everybody has understood every step. You have not held back or sort of restrained yourself, Renu. Really creditable. So I was just wanting to say that on behalf of everybody who's here and for all those who have missed, we are trying to put this up on YouTube so that everybody who can, and it will be like a recap for you. सो रेनू बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद भी बोले तुमको और बच्चों को भी और बच्चों के बच्चों को भी कि वो लोगों ने इतना हम लोगों का साथ दिया. And I just want to share something. Just before the demo, there was a technical hitch at her residence. She was without electricity. So you can imagine the panic that she went through. And in spite of that, she has kept her calm and she has maintained her composure. So hats off to you, Renu. And please, you have all our good wishes. And here's wishing everybody, all our viewers, a very happy festive season ahead. We have lots to enjoy, lots to celebrate. So let's enjoy everything and not think about anything which is not so good. Thank you, everybody. And if you have anybody has any question to ask Renu, I think you can unmute yourself and ask. Pooja, will you enable everybody?
Yeah, everybody, I'm just giving that option. Just a second, please. Yeah, so everybody can unmute if they want to ask any questions. But before that, I would like to thank again Pooja Podar, Prerna Podar, and of course the most adorable Aryaman Podar. If he's there, we all would like to meet him.
He has his classes, he's gone down.
Okay, so please convey our thanks to him, Auntie, from all of us. And thank you, Pooja, and thank you, Prerna, for helping me through everything which we won't be able to do without your support.
It's an
Always.
absolute pleasure
Always.
and learning for all of us too. So when
I
we
have a very concerned question for Renudi, please.
Yes,
Di, are your fingers okay? Are your fingers? I'm really worried about your fingers and your eyes and your goodness.
Can't you see Renu Auntie's fingers full manicured with polish and everything? So you can imagine how well her fingers are.
Preeti, she has learned this thing of manicuring from you. You also have, must have your nails manicured. And she's brought it up, Pooja, because we never commented on it. So
Yes. Beautiful.
all last times we've commented on your manicuring also. So that
Auntie Pooja learned to watch the manicures after everything.
Kavita Bhai, I want to thank you. Kavita Bhai, I want to thank you. It was
Pleasure.
such a wonderful, beautiful, amazing
thank
demonstration.
you. She's my
I've
cousin.
never
from
seen
Hyderabad.
such things.
And so
Thank you so much, Bhai, for giving me the opportunity.
No, it's so nice, and we have lovely flower arrangement friends. We have Madhusha, we have Rekha, we have Mary,
Rekha is there, yes.
we have Beverly, and I don't know who else
Our
is.
Hyderabad team is very good also.
Yeah,
yes.
your Hyderabad.
But this is very different.
Yeah,
Lovely.
This is a very different thing.
Kavita, can I say something on behalf of the Ikebana people?
Yes, please, Rekha.
I'm very glad you're doing Ikebana. It's much easier than what you're doing. You need
Yes,
much more patience
exactly.
and effort and creativity.
Yes.
I'm going to stick to flower arrangement and just enjoy watching. Lovely. Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
And since you're there, can I request you as a member of the board to say something?
Can I have your name, please, so that I can just spotlight you and we can all hear you?
Madhusha.
Sorry?
Madhusha, Madhu.
Oh, okay. Just a second, Madhu Auntie. Before you start, I'll just
Yeah.
put you on me.
And then I would like somebody from Kenya also to say something if possible.
Yes. Just 1 minute, Madhu Auntie.
Can do, Auntie.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Please say
Okay.
for us.
Thank you so much for letting me join the demonstrations. And Renu, that was really very, very creative. I thoroughly enjoyed it. And I'm sure you'll go, I mean, you are already there. You are on top of the flower ranges. So what can I say? But it was really very wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And thank you, Madhu, for being with us. Madhu is a member of the WAFA board, so it's such an honor to have her with us too. And can I request somebody from the Kenya chapter to say something because they were very keen to join? Anila, would you like to say something on their behalf?
Yeah, I'd like to thank you very much.
You can unmute yourself.
She's on unmute, but we can't hear you, Anila.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Can you hear me now?
Little better, a little louder if possible.
Okay, I would like to thank you very much, Kavita.
Can't hear you.
Oh dear. You want me to write my comments?
No, we would like you to say, or somebody else can say something from your group, if you have.
I don't know who else is here from. I think Anita is here from Kenya.
Priya was supposed to be there. Bhavna is there.
Bhavna is there, yeah.
Bhavna, please say something on behalf of your group.
Is it Bhavna Dilip Shah?
Yeah, it's Bhavna Devisha. Yeah.
Can you please switch on your video so that I can spotlight you?
I'm seeing her.
Anila, we can hear you a bit. Please just say a few words. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, I would like to say a big thank you to Renu for the beautiful demonstration. It's a very work, and I'd like to create some of the things and everybody stay safe. I hope everybody is fine.
अरे रनऑफ में क्या होगा ना people the top two will Rafael Warnock and Terry Roessler they will have a second election.
Somebody can please switch on the background voice?
Never mind. Anyway, it's okay. Everybody, you can't keep on singing. So thank you, Renu. Thank you again. और वो पत्ते अच्छे से संभाल के रखना. हम लोग भी शायद कभी यूज कर सकें अपने घर में. तुम्हारे जवा फूल और पत्ते अभी दिवाली पे तुम सजा लो, फिर उसके बाद हम लोग सजाएंगे.
So, Anji, there is a question for you. The wire which you used, the 20 gauge or the 18 gauge for the stem, so is it because of the number, the flexibility is more?
Yes.
We can't hear you.
Yes.
So the higher the number we go, the flexibility comes more.
No. The number you go, it becomes thinner.
Okay.
The higher the number, the thinner it is.
Okay, so I hope whoever asked this question got the answer. We are using.
We loved your designs, Mossy, superb.
As usual, what creation, Bhavi, what creation. Maja aa gaya.
Unbelievable. We are completely mesmerized.
We need a gift now. एक फूल हमारे घर hibiscus बड़े-बड़े. आंटी तो बोल ये बाद में यूज करेंगे. I तो want a gift.
Renu Didi, that's a big task for you, huh? But hibiscus at everybody's house.
हम लोग को तो बनाना ही मुश्किल है. आपको तो मालूम ही है कितना मुश्किल है. आप ही बनाओगे हम लोग के लिए.
वो तो मुझे पता है ना भवानी, तुम तो
भवानी दीदी
बनाने वाली हो.
भवानी दीदी, this is the best time. आपका 50th birthday आ रहा है. एक hibiscus ला तो मिल ही जाएगा आपको.
अच्छा, उसके साथ हम लोग को भी एक पर एक free.
He was giving you just a whole carnation, so at least I'm making you give a full wire hibiscus flower. Say thank you to me. She was only giving you a whole carnation flower.
अच्छा चलो, मेरे को लीफ पे भी हो जाएगा. One leaf will do.
बहुत सारे बनाने पड़ेंगे. 3 लोगों का बर्थडे आ रहा है एकदम, like it's just 3 days away.
हम बोले
हाँ आंटी, आपका तो बनता है. You can ask for a carnation bouquet.
मीता सब मेरे को एक भेज देंगे, मेरा तो डिजाइन हो जाएगा.
One full
then Kavita bhai, you can send it to me to Hyderabad. Thank you. Bye bye.
आज वाले लोग का नंबर बहुत देर से आएगा.
Bye bye. Thank you so much. Thank you.
There is a message for you, Kavita aunty and Renu aunty, that somebody wants to for the want to learn it and not only see the wire leaf, how you make it.
Yeah, we'll do a workshop later. Give us some time. We have many things lined up, Pooja. We will definitely do a workshop where we can make the kits and everything. Just give us some time, because, and I want to make another announcement before we close. There is this picture competition which is being sponsored by the